Viewing chat widget submissions. Once you've created and set up a chat widget, you may want to review what contacts are submitting into the chat widget. If you haven't yet set up a chat widget, stop here and be sure to check out our other articles and tutorials on creating a chat widget for your funnels and websites. So once you've created your chat widget, let's talk about how you can view the communications under your form submissions. Navigate to Forms and Submissions and choose Widget Form from the drop-down menu. Here you will be able to view all of the chat widget responses. You can click into a contact to view their profile as well. This will allow you to see who is communicating through the chat widget and what they are communicating. It's as easy as that. You now know how to view chat widget submissions. Congratulations!